Here we are, 7:27 a.m. leaving Aquatic Park, 13 souls. Swimming all the way to Yacht Harbor with a little bit of ebb and coming back with a stronger ebb against the tide. Because these are the toughest of the tough right here. These are nutcrackers in training. There's Mad Brad right there. He's training for the English Channel. And he's gonna make it. He's gonna win. He's gonna kick ass. 7:33 a.m. Not much of an ebb. I've got it neutral here. You can see we're not really moving, but it's just pretty much slack. So the swimmers are making good progress. This here is Captain Mayhem. He's training for some amazing swims coming up. He's a Nado Doros Locos swimmer. He's some of the toughest, roughest, craziest swimmers in the world. And he'll be swimming outside the Golden Gate later this year, swimming in a group to Half Moon Bay. World record swimmer. There's a fast pod, Dan Medina, Tina, Boyd. Let's see who else we got here. I think we've got David there. This is a very tough group of swimmers right here. Just making it to Yacht Harbor. 7:37 a.m. They're going the easy way right now, but stay tuned because they've got to fight this tide that's building all the way back to the club. It's 7:42 a.m. and the tide's building, so they're getting increased speed, and they'll be at Yacht Harbor in no time. The key is to turn around. Here we are at Coghlan Beach. It's 7:52 a.m. and got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 swimmers here out of 13, and they're the other group's catching up pretty quick. We're getting a real good push. So when they get up to Yacht Harbor, they're going to need to turn around and fight their ways back. So we're only about half an hour into the swim now. So it'll probably take them a good hour plus to get back. But that's the fun of it. It's a nutcracker training. There's Steve Walker in the lead here. He's a very, very tough, extreme athlete. He's training for, I believe, the Straits of Gibraltar later this year. So he's an incredible swimmer. He never gets cold. And it's a piece of cake for him. He's got a lot of power in that stroke. Look at that. Just tearing up the water. Here Steve is at the Yacht Harbor. About 40 minutes into the swim. And got Kathy Harrington back there with the slower swimmers at Coghlan. Steve McDonald in about the midway. Swimmers are making good progress. Lots of swimmers right behind Steve, who's well in the lead. 43 minutes into the swim, and they're at the beach. Some of the big group here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 of the faster swimmers are here. There's another one just right behind them.
Vessel call, Trevor, say again, please.
This here's Darren. He's an animal. He swam the length of Tahoe. No sweat. Anyway, he's staying out in the current because he knows it's so fast that he figured he'd just let the swimmers pace him and get out of the current there. So it's amazing. I was wondering who this was out here. We're getting back up to Coghlan. It's now 8:19, so it's about 1 hour into the whole swim now. So we're making pretty good progress. We can get out of the current even better after Coghlan, going to the piers and stuff. So we're right on track. It's 8:34 a.m. About a little over an hour and 15 minutes, and we're now just getting. Yeah, that'd be okay. Yeah, if you don't mind, you can. We still have. You may let this first maybe go in with a few of these 3 pod. That'd be good. If you don't mind. Then the rest of it, you're kind of on your own. Well, I'll cover you, but you're going to be good from there. Go onto the piers. We're about an hour and 15 now. You guys making good progress.
Yeah, this isn't as hard coming back as I thought it was going to be.
Those guys stayed, Darren stayed way out. He's way out there.
Yeah.
Oh, look at him. He still doesn't seem to want to come in. I don't know why. So Kathy will escort you through, and I'm going to go kind of get these stragglers, the troublemakers. Well, we'll keep an eye on you. We'll keep checking you. We'll know you're going to be good once you get to the piers there. Okay.
Hey, Kath.
Check in with Jefferson when you're on the beach at the club.
Check in with Captain Jefferson.
Captain Jefferson. Doing really great. Strong work. Darren, he's a strong swimmer, but he's still staying out a little too far. Darren! Hey, Darren! Go in! Darren! Go in! Straight in! Straight in! Get to that wall! And then you're gonna have to go into the piers.
Things are okay. Everybody's instructed to check in with you when they come in.
Sir, go slowly. You have a duck head over? I've got 19 off on right now, so we'll plan on. Now for taking care of it.
Darren's good position now. We got this group here, they're just hanging out, lollygagging. Yeah, baby! Woo! Doing great! Hey, how's it going?
Good.
Good. Doing great.
It's a great swim.
Yeah. Good job.
How's the ebb going? Is the ebb still going?
Oh yeah, it's picking up.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
Is anyone going to go through the gap?
Yeah, I don't know about the gap, but that's a possibility. Over here, Matt Brad, I think. I'm not sure. Let's see, who is it? He's staying out too far. We got to get him in the wall. Hey! Hey, Brad! Hey, Mad Brad! Brad! Hey! Go straight in. Go toward the boats. Straight into those boats. That'll get you out of the current.
Okay.
Straight to those boats. Good job.
Robert Travis, Pier 33, over. Clipper traffic, roger up.
Alright, and here comes Tina. Another troublemaker, but we love her. Stayed way out in the current too far, and that's why she's so far behind. Very strong swimmer. Now she's finally out, getting out of the current at the right idea now. The problem is, the slower the swim, the more harder the current is for you, because it's only getting to be more of an ebb. Here's our timeline looking, 8:43 now. We're at the gas house. We've got 3 swimmers that have not passed in here yet. So we're doing really good. We got David's just crossing now. This is what I have to watch out for. There's a boat coming right now. I have to be ready for these kind of things. Here comes a boat. Yeah? Got a swimmer. You're clear. I've got one swimmer over there, and all of my swimmers are over here. Thanks. We're good. This is what I was watching. This is what I was watching in here. I knew you guys would be coming. Have a good one. All my swimmers are right here, and there's 2 over there. We're out of their way. Thanks. Nobody's way out there. Got the swimmers coming in. It's 9:04, so we're pretty close to my 9 o'clock estimate. I called into vessel traffic, said it should be done around 9. Pretty close. About an hour and 40 minutes. That's pretty good.
Turn your kiddos, Tom.
Nice work!
Turn your kiddos.
Thank you so much!
Yeah, baby!
Thank you!
All right.
Yes, hello, traffic. Good morning, starting at Pier 41, 4 Bay Street, over.
Okay, Bill. About 2 hours into the swim. It's 9:20 right now.
Tom, can you drop me off at the...
Yeah, sure.